Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching formats so nothing jumps later. Import the updated flower clock clip into your timeline. Make sure frame rate and resolution match the sequence. Trim the clip to the 5/12-second core segment where the animation is clean. Once done, name it Flower Clock V2 and move it into a dedicated asset bin so you don't lose it. This early organization saves time and prevents color, scale, or timing drift when you start compositing. Now you composite. Put the flower clock clip on an upper track and align it to the target frame. Use a tight mask to isolate the clock. Feather the edges 1030px to blend. Once masked, match scale and position precisely, then set blending mode to screen or add if the clip has light elements you want to preserve. Next, color grade. Nudge exposure by about plus or minus 0. 3 stops and tweak hue so the flower tones match the scene's ambient light. Finish by adding final touches. Apply motion blur or optical flow to match camera movement. Make sure playback is smooth at 2430 fps. Render a 10-12-second test at 1080p to verify edges, alpha channel, and synchronization with audio or clock ticks. If you see artifacts, haloing, color shifts, or jitter, revisit the mask and feather, toggle blend modes, or re-render the source clip with a higher quality codec. That one troubleshooting step usually fixes most visible problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.